In just a few days, a simple cucumber can become a delicious pickle. But how do factories make millions of them so fast? Today we'll take you inside a pickle factory to see the full process, from fresh cucumbers to sealed pickle jars. Get ready. It's more interesting than you think. Step 1. Harvesting and selection. The journey of making pickles starts with fresh cucumbers. Farmers grow them in large fields and pick them when they are just the right size, small, firm, and crunchy. These cucumbers are then packed into big trucks and sent to the factory. Once they arrive, workers and machines check them carefully. They sort out any cucumbers that are too big, too soft, or have bad spots. Only the best cucumbers are chosen for making pickles. Step 2. Washing and cleaning. When the cucumbers reach the factory, they need to be cleaned before turning into pickles. First, they go into big washing machines where they are rinsed with lots of water. Powerful water jets spray them to remove dirt, dust, and any tiny bugs. Some factories also use special brushes or rollers to scrub them gently. This step makes sure the cucumbers are completely clean and safe to eat. Step 3. Brining process. After the cucumbers are cleaned, they go into big tanks filled with salty water. This step is called brining. The salt water helps start the pickling process by drawing out moisture from the cucumbers and giving them their crunchy texture. Some factories also add special spices or natural ingredients to enhance the flavor. Depending on the type of pickle, cucumbers can stay in the brine for a few hours or even several weeks. The longer they soak, the stronger the taste. This process is what turns a regular cucumber into a real pickle. Step 4. Vinegar and seasoning. After the cucumbers are soaked in brine, they move to the next step, where vinegar and spices are added. Vinegar is important because it gives pickles their sour taste and helps preserve them so they last longer. Factories mix vinegar with salt, sugar, and different spices like garlic, dill, mustard seeds, or chili flakes, depending on the pickle flavor. The cucumbers are soaked in this flavorful mixture, making them taste delicious. Step 5. Jar filling and sealing. Once the cucumbers have soaked in the flavorful mixture, they are ready to be packed into jars. Machines carefully place the pickles inside clean glass or plastic jars. Then, the jars are filled with the same vinegar and spice mixture to keep the pickles fresh and tasty. After that, lids are tightly sealed onto the jars using special machines. This sealing process makes sure no air gets inside, which helps the pickles stay fresh for a long time. Step 6. Pasteurization and quality control. After the jars are sealed, they go through a process called pasteurization to make sure the pickles are safe to eat and last a long time. The jars are heated using steam or hot water to kill any harmful bacteria without cooking the pickles. This helps keep them fresh and crunchy. Next, each jar goes through quality control, where workers and machines check for any problems, like broken jars, loose lids, or missing labels. Only the best jars pass the test and move to the final step. Step 7. Labeling and packaging. Once the jars pass quality control, they move to the labeling and packaging step. Machines quickly place colorful labels on each jar, showing the brand name, ingredients, and expiration date. After labeling, the jars are grouped together and packed into big boxes to make them easier to transport. These boxes are then stacked onto trucks and sent to grocery stores, ready for customers to buy. And that's how cucumbers turn into delicious pickles. From fresh farms to big factories, every step is carefully done to make sure the pickles are crunchy, tasty, and safe to eat.